Hoe. This one doesn't like hoeing.
You watch Colby's face coming back.
This one doesn't like hoeing, so it'd be a bad.
Watch Colby's face coming back on this pony.
I'm trying to move, but this one just doesn't. This one doesn't want.
This is funny.
Tony! Tony!
She's all trying to wave.
Tony! Megan, what's his name? This one. Oh, Jesse. Jesse. And then that one's name is Coco. I like that one better.
Is that fun?
There, that's a good one.
She's all riding. Say hey, Matt. My mom and dad might see this, so you can say hi, Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
Colby!
So happy.
Oh, Mikey's turn.
Get on back. Come on, kick your leg over. Ready, Mikey? Here, hold that. No, it's